Hello, Dentist Cowie. Today's patient is Lisa. Look at those dirty teeth. Let's clean Lisa's teeth. Well done. Check Lisa's mouth with the X-ray. Bright smile. Oh no! Tooth-tastic. Sparkling. Put the braces on Lisa's teeth. Sparkling. See? It wasn't that bad.